On my BD. I wanna tell you, shawty, that you make me crazy. Kahit saan man na mapatingin, ikaw pa rin para sa'kin ang the best, girl. You lighten up my whole world like brighter than moon. You rising like a star, then you shining like a diamond. At sa gabi, ikaw ang gustong nakikita. Hey, kung ako'y pagbibigyan, ikaw, baby, come over now. Alam mo bang ikaw ang laging nasa isip, babe? Di masabi na big if it's so big. Parang pagkasiting kasi that's my fave. Huwag ka na mag-alala, girl, I'ma make you say, ooh, 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 what that is for me. Whoa, baby, why you stressing me? Feels like I'm living in a fantasy. Your fan is making me itch, baby. I'm dressing to know you can't touch my D. Baby, why you stressing me? Feels like I'm living in a fantasy. Your fan is making me itch, baby. I'm dressing to know you can't touch my D. Ligat, uwi, nada, yosa, aking BED. I'ma make it better till you break my BED. Ligat, uwi, nada, yosa, aking BED. Babe, come work with me, go make it ring in the beat.
Pagdaas sa kagubatan, nabulaklakan. Sa para ang mahal ko na ang kalikasan, kagandahan, ang kabundukan. Kahit di alam daan na sa lagusan. Kasalanan, kasiyahan, kasarapan na usog ka na luwain. Kaluwakan na mas lalong nilawakan. Kapitan mo ang salitang dapat na panghawakan. Nais ko lang ipaalam ang dapat na